How to pay my Walmart credit card bill online. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, search for streamline.com. It will land you on this official page. At the very top right, you can see the option of consumers. Click on it. And then click on credit card. It will land you on this page. Here in the search bar, you need to search for Walmart. And then click on it. Once you have clicked on Walmart, click on Account Access. Now you can simply log into your account, or you can click on Pay as Guest. Enter all of the details and then click on Continue. Once you have clicked on Continue, now you have to head over to capitalone.com. If you already have your Capital One account, then simply you can log into your account. If not, you can click on Create New Account. Now you will have to enter your personal details. Enter your last name, your social security number, and then your date of birth. Once you have entered all the information, click on Get Started. Once you have been logged into your account, you will be able to pay Walmart credit card online. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can pay a Walmart credit card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.